Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to delete a custom status in ClickUp cleanly, safely, and without losing any of your existing task data. ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management platforms available, and its custom status system lets you shape each workspace around the way your team actually works. But over time, old status pile up, left over from projects that ended, workflows that changed, or experiments that never quite landed. Knowing how to remove them keeps your workspace tight and your team focused on what matters. If this sounds useful to you, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the exact location in ClickUp where the status lives. Open the app and look at the left sidebar. You'll see your workspace broken down into spaces at the top level, then folders inside those spaces, and lists nested inside the folders. Statuses in ClickUp are inherited down this hierarchy, meaning a status set at the space level flows into every folder and list beneath it, unless overridden. So before you touch anything, you need to know whether the status you want to remove belongs to a space, a folder, or a specific list. Hover your cursor over the correct one in the sidebar. The name will highlight and a small icon will appear beside it. Once you're hovering over the right space, folder, or list, you'll see 3 horizontal dots appear to the right of the name. Go ahead and click those dots. This opens a context menu with a range of settings options for that location. It's worth knowing that these 3-dot menus are consistent throughout ClickUp. You'll find them next to tasks, lists, and views as well, so getting comfortable with them here will pay dividends across your entire workflow. For now, just click to open the menu and look at the options it gives you. From that drop-down menu, you're going to select the settings option that corresponds to your current location. If you're working at the space level, you'll see space settings. Inside a folder, you'll click folder settings. On a list, it's list settings. Choose whichever applies, and then inside those settings, look for the option labeled task statuses or list statuses depending on where you are. Clicking that opens the status manager for that location, a panel that shows you every status currently defined at this level, along with their colors and types. Take a moment to look at the full list before you make any changes, because this is also a great opportunity to audit whether any other outdated statuses are cluttering things up while you're already here. Now locate the specific status you want to delete. Hover your mouse directly over it in the list, and you'll see either 3 small dots or a trash icon appear to the right of it. Click that and then select Delete Status from the small pop-up that appears. ClickUp won't just quietly remove it, and that's intentional. Deleting a status is a structural change to your workflow, and the platform wants to make sure you're doing it deliberately. So it presents you with a confirmation prompt, and this is where the next critical step lives. That prompt is asking you what should happen to any tasks that are currently assigned the status you're about to remove. This is one of the most important moments in the whole process. If you skip past it or choose carelessly, tasks can end up in a state that's confusing for your team. ClickUp will show you the active statuses you can reassign those tasks to, so take a moment and think about it. Where do these tasks actually belong now? If you're retiring a status called In Review and tasks sitting there are genuinely complete, reassign them to your Done status. If they still need work, send them back to In Progress. The right reassignment depends entirely on your workflow, so choose the one that honestly reflects those tasks' current state. With your reassignment selected, you're almost done. Look to the lower right corner of the Status Manager panel and click the button labeled Apply Changes. This is the step that finalizes everything. It writes your deletion to the system and immediately updates every task that was reassigned. You'll see the status vanish from the list, and if you navigate to a task that was previously using it, you'll find it sitting cleanly in its new status. ClickUp processes this in real time, so there's no waiting and no manual cleanup required on your end. One thing worth keeping in mind going forward, if you manage a workspace where multiple team members can edit statuses, it's good practice to communicate these kinds of changes before you make them. A sudden disappearance of a status, even a stale one, can confuse colleagues who are relying on it as a filtering or reporting signal. A quick message in your team channel before you tidy up goes a long way. You've now successfully deleted a status in ClickUp, reassigned any affected tasks, and saved your changes, all without disrupting your existing data. A cleaner status list means a cleaner workflow, less decision fatigue for your team, and reporting that actually reflects how work moves through your process. As a next step, consider doing a quick pass through your other spaces and folders to see if any other unused statuses are hiding there. You can also revisit your remaining statuses and make sure the colors and names still map accurately to your current process. It's a small investment that consistently pays off in team clarity. Save this video so you can come back to it whenever you need a refresher. And if you run into anything that doesn't match what you're seeing in your version of ClickUp, drop a comment below. I read every single one and I'm happy to help. See you in the next one.